Dear students, welcome back to Class 5 English Language class. We are doing the topic adjectives and we have started the kinds of adjectives. We have already done the adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. This is video number 7 and today we will do the another kind, that is possessive adjectives. Now, what are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are those which show ownership or possession and answer the question whose. Possessive adjective modify a noun by showing a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. Now, first person possessive adjectives, for singular we use my and for plural we use our. Now, second person possessive adjectives, for singular as well as for plural we use your. Third person possessive adjective, for singular we use his for masculine, her for feminine and its for neuter gender. And for plural we use the possessive adjective their. Now let's see some examples. She is my friend Winnie. Here my is modifying the noun friend and answering the question whose friend? My friend. So my will be considered as possessive adjective. Winnie is posing with her brother Vinay. Here her is the possessive adjective. It is answering the question whose brother? Her brother. So her is the possessive adjective. Vinay is showing off his boxing gloves. Here his is the possessive adjective as it modifies the noun boxing gloves and answer the question whose boxing gloves? His. So his is the possessive adjective. Here they are with their parents. There is said to be the possessive adjective as it modifies the noun parents and answer the question whose parents? Their parents. So there is the possessive adjective. These are some of our friends. Here whose friends is answered by our friends. So our is the possessive adjective as it modifies the noun friends. Do you like its kennel? Whose kennel? Its kennel. So its is the possessive adjective as it modifies the noun kennel. Now stick your picture here. Here your is the possessive adjective as it modifies the noun picture and answer the question whose picture? Your picture. So your is the possessive adjective. So in all these sentences, my, her, his, their, my, its, our, your, they are all possessive adjectives as they modify the nouns they follow. Let's see some more examples. My shirt is green. Here my is showing the possession and modifying the noun shirt. So my is the possessive adjective. Your book is new. Whose book? Your book. So your is the possessive adjective. His pillow is soft. Whose pillow? His pillow. So it is modifying the noun pillow. So his is the possessive adjective. Her dog is small. Whose dog? Her dog. So her is the possessive adjective. Its bone is old. Here its is the possessive adjective as it answers the question whose bone? Its bone. Now possessive adjective should not be confused with possessive pronouns. Check this example. This is my book. Whose book? My book. So my is followed by a noun. So my will be considered as possessive adjective. But when I say this book is mine, here mine is not followed by a noun. So it is a possessive pronoun, not a possessive adjective. Please note, we do not use apostrophe comma with possessive adjective, and possessive adjectives are always used before nouns. For example, its with apostrophe comma is a contraction of it is. It's hot today. It means it is hot today. Whereas, check this sentence, the cat is eating its food. Here no apostrophe comma is used. So it is the possessive adjective. Whose food? Its food. Thank you.